Hello guys, if you want to build this AI chatbot without writing HTML, CSS, JavaScript, just pure Python, then watch this video. This will be very helpful for you. Hello and welcome back guys. In our previous video, we built this simple Python AI chatbot using Gemini API key. But right now it only lives in terminal, which is really boring. But in today's video, we will build a clean web-based interface for our AI chatbot. What I've done till now is I just created this Python function and I just hided my API key using .env. Now we will use Streamlit for that task. And first of all, we have to install Streamlit in our local system. For that, I'll be writing pip install Streamlit and hit enter and let it download. Then what we have to do, I'll just import Streamlit. For that, I'll write import Streamlit as st. Then I will give a title to my web app. Let me call mine AI chatbot. For that, st.ai title. I'll write AI chatbot. Now, what I'll do, I'll just create a input box. For that, I'll write st.chat input, and I'll write here, ask me anything. See how it is looking. For that, we have to run this file. And for running Streamlit file, we just write Streamlit run our file name main.py and hit enter. We will be redirected to our browser. This is how it is looking, and this is what exactly the st.chat input does. Now what we will do, I'll assign it into a variable so that I can store the user input. For that, I'll write user input. Okay, and now what I'll do, I'll check if user just enters something. Then if user input, then this code block will be triggered, and I will just show what does the user just entered. And for that, I'll just write with st.chat message. I'll just write here user. Then inside it, I will write st.markdown for the displaying the entered text. For that, I'll write st.markdown and write user input here. User input. Now see guys, what is markdown and what is this chat input? Markdown is a built-in function in Streamlit that allow us to show the markdown text, and it is pretty useful. Now I'll do same for the AI response. I'll just select the text and press Alt plus Shift plus down arrow, so it will get copy and pasted right here. And I'll just replace user to the AI here, and I'll just call the function that I made. I think I should add a spinner or loading by right here, so user can see that model is thinking. For that, what I'll do, I'll just write with st.spinner and I'll write here thinking. Now see guys, what does this spinner just do? This spinner is also a built-in function, and see what does it do. Whenever I write hello right here, hello, and hit enter, it will show this animation, which is kind of really amazing. And if you want to just deploy it, we can also do that. And this was it guys. We just built a clean web-based interface. Hit the like button and share this video to your friend. And let me know if you have any doubt, and next video we will deploy it. Thanks for watching.